Welcome to a beautiful new day. Before you dive into your to do list, before the world gets noisy, take this moment to center yourself. This is your time to breathe, to be still, and to remind yourself of the incredible power you hold within. Let these words wash over you as you prepare to rise stronger, clearer, and more grateful than ever before. Today I wake up in gratitude. I'm thankful for this breath. I'm thankful for this moment. I'm thankful for a fresh start. Every cell in my body is filled with peace. I'm alive. I'm here. And that is enough. I thank my body for carrying me. I thank my mind for growing every day. I thank my soul for its quiet wisdom. I'm grateful for the lesson of yesterday and I embrace the possibilities of today. Gratitude flows through me. I attract more of what I appreciate. The more I focus on what's good, the more good flows into my life. I'm grateful for the people who love me. I'm grateful for the challenges that shaped me. I'm grateful for the opportunities still unseen. Each morning is a sacred invitation to begin again with love, with strength, with peace. I am stronger than my doubts. I am braver than my fears. I am not defined by my past. I grow beyond it. Every challenge is a stepping stone. Every failure is feedback. Every setback is preparation for a greater comeback. I choose resilience. I choose courage. I choose peace. When things get tough, I remain calm. My mind is focused. My heart is steady. I do not compare myself to others. I rise in my own lane. I trust my journey. Obstacles are temporary. I am permanent. I am powerful. I am grounded. I don't need external validation. I already am enough. I already have what it takes. I give myself permission to evolve, to grow slowly, to glow deeply, to rise again and again. Today, I radiate confidence. Today, I speak with clarity and love. Today, I listen to my inner wisdom. Today, I make myself for joy. I am a magnet for miracles. I am aligned with peace. I walk in purpose. I shine effortlessly. I choose thoughts that empower me. I choose actions that honor me. I choose people who uplift me. This is a day of possibility, a day of calm strength, a day of aligned energy, a day where I'm in full control of how I feel. I am the creator of my mood. I am the author of my day. I am proud of who I am becoming. Thank you, universe. Thank you, life. Thank you, self. Let's begin this day powerfully, gratefully, and joyfully. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Smile gently. You are ready. Go into your day with light in your heart and power in your steps. You are not alone. You walk with purpose. Remember, you are enough. You always were.